Hi, this is part 4 of our tutorial, which is adding of new page. So the scenario is, what if we want to add a new page under all about cyber? So let's head on to the list of pages. Then let's click add new. So as we remember, the last page is page 5. So we want to make additional page. So let's type in page 6 on the title area. Then on the right side, you can see the page attributes. Under the parent drop down, select all about cyber. Next, we will put a sample content. Sample content. Then publish. To view the page, let's let's press Ctrl plus click this view page. On another tab, you can see it is loading. There you go. This is the 6th page of the All About Cyber. So that's how to add contents, to add a new page under each menu, or the main menus, all about cyber, cyber shield for positions, and etc. So next tutorial will be about the syntax.